Okay, Sunday night stream. Let's go. Went long to MNQ here. I'm gonna take one off, and because 10 was my target, it actually went to like 15. But so I'm just gonna take one off here. I am copy trading. I never copy trade, and I am copy trading, so decided to take the reins off a bit. Trying to get used to copy trading, so I'm just doing micro. I have Ninja running, and so I have my Tradevate accounts. I've got Replicanto running, and I have my Tradevate accounts linked as long with my Ninja Trader, or I'm sorry, with my Rithmic accounts. And so I'm trying to trick my brain, so to speak, and just trade from TradingView with the Ninja running in the background. So it just doesn't seem like a lot, I guess. Just tricks of the trade. So I have not worn a baseball cap in a long time. I went to a game last night. Went to the Nashville Sounds game, so I bought a baseball cap while I was there. So decided to put it on. So hey, that's what all the cool kids are doing, right? Wearing a baseball cap on stream. So anyway, just thought I would put it on for be kind of cool to do something different. Maybe kind of a sideways action here. This hasn't gone outside, but so far this hour is 2 down green here on MNQ, and so we'll see what happens here tonight. Could be just a bunch of sideways chop. We do have CPI data on Thursday. So I don't know what all is out there for tomorrow, but I know Thursday is CPI data. So I didn't want to drink some coffee, but I just got some chai tea. So drinking that. I don't really drink a lot of coffee, but because I really prefer tea to coffee, because I feel like it gives you a more even stream. Don't get so jittery with tea as you do coffee, at least for me. So drinking more tea than coffee. Apex is still running that sale on the 250, and 300K accounts. If you pass by August the 15th, you get to pay the $85 lifetime fee. So I really should have bought ES. I've been going back and trading ES, whereas I started on ES and then I switched to NQ. Didn't really mess around with ES too much. I have kind of since gone back to ES, and so yeah, so I should have traded ES. Not a bad little move here to start the session for sure. What, about 20 points since I got in? Yeah. Yeah, about 20 points. I tell you, I know it's slow going, but I really like trading micros. I feel like I can wait on the move to happen and not freak out if if I'm wrong. Alright, I'm going to move my stop. I'm going to move my stop to about 10. If I can.
Order submitted.
Oh, it's not what I want to do. Thank you. I don't know if I can get this right on, but we'll get it pretty close. There we go, 10. Alright, so the stop is in at 10. It may pull back and take me out. I'm okay with that. I've got to go check on a pan of cornbread, so I'll be right back.
Order filled.
Alright, I took out my stop, I see. It's okay. Had to go check on the cornbread, and it turned out perfect. Turned out perfect. Been a long time since I made cornbread, and I wanted to make some, so. Now I just gotta wait on the butter to melt. And I use real butter. Nobody's. Stay away from seed oils. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Okay, so took out my stop at 10, which I'm okay with that. That's fine. Just wait on another trade now, but we could obviously they're still looking to buy this. I'd be looking for all this liquidity up here at 20,623 next. If they keep buying. Let's make this a little bigger here. So yeah, so this liquidity here at 20,622. So it looks like they did, well, they got close to touching it and then pulled it back, but so yeah, probably just sideways chop. Kind of hard to say. One thing I've been noticing is a rotation, and I've been noticing it in ES. So here's what I've been noticing. So let's say you're down 4 or 5. It's a chance you'll get back even. If you go up 5, it's a chance you'll go up anywhere from 5 to 9 to 10 to possibly 15. It just seems like there's a rotation that happens throughout the day. Somebody's sending me a message. Okay, guys, I gotta, I'm gonna get back in this, well, I'm not. I'm just gonna let it be for right now. I gotta do something real quick. So, I'm gonna hop back on stream. Well, I'll just let the stream go. I'm just gonna step away. So, I'll be back in just a few minutes. Okay, sorry about that. I had to take a phone call. 6 of you watching me? Oh my gosh. Okay, so guess it's a good thing I got out of my, yeah, definitely good. Glad I didn't re-enter while I was gone on that phone call. They did almost come up here and touch that liquidity, but now they could potentially come back here to 590. So this is a no trade for me. I don't know what they're gonna do. So whether they're gonna come back up and touch 10 or if they're gonna come back and touch 590. So this is a no trade for me. If you look on a smaller time frame, it looks like they might come down and touch 590 first. But again, no trade for me. So I'm just, not gonna put the profit at risk. I'd like to see them come back and touch 590 first. That would be ideal. But, they could come up and do it this way. So I just don't know. Again, really no trade for me. This 15-minute turned more into a shooter. So if they break 600, then I would look for 592, 591 to come in. You know what? Let's take one. I'm going to put my stop here at 05. Put another sell order in here at 599. So if they break this, I don't want to add another one. I'm just gonna see if this comes down and goes 2 down into here, and I'll take the profit here. This is not an ideal setup for me, so. We are in this mother bar range here from 20,615 all the way down to 20,582. So about a 40-point range we're just really kind of stuck in.
Connection lost.
I tell you though, just really trying to get used to copy trading. But when you see it spread out, 50, even $50 spread out across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 accounts, it's nice. It's nice. See why I said this wasn't an ideal setup for me? Because I just can't tell if they're gonna do this number all the way back up here. So I'm gonna actually move my stop a little lower. I would rather get stopped out than this run away with me. So I'm okay if here's my thing when it comes to trading, right? This is kind of what I say. It's okay to be wrong. Just don't stay wrong. It's okay if you need to switch directions because you were wrong. Don't stay that way and let it go against you so far that now you're in drawdown and having to recover all that. So I would much rather stop out with an extremely small loss than to sit there like I have in the past and screen stare just like flabbergasted, like, oh my God, and hoping it, like, no. The worst thing in trading is the word hope, in my opinion. And they're going to take out my stop. Be about a $5 loss. Well, it didn't take out my stop. It got really close right there. Did you guys see that? So they could come and test 590 now. Let's see if they do it. 20,590. Let's see if they come and test this. Come on, 590. It's just 10 points. You can do it. Alright guys, I'm going to end the stream here. It's just chopping. For the most part, I am looking for 20,590 to hit. Let's see if it hits it. But it's just chop right now, so I'm not going to sit here and just stare at the screen. But you're looking to get out of this range right here for the most part. 20,615 down to 20,590. So, and then all the way down to 20,582. So that's pretty much the mother bar range that you're in there on NQ. So we'll see which way they decide to take it. I am kind of leaning more on a pullback down to 25,590. So we'll see if that occurs. So all right, hope everyone has a good night. I may hop on again a little later. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Feel free to use my Apex code. That'll get you 80% off right now. And on the 150, 250, and 300K, if you pass by August the 15th, you can pay one lifetime fee of $85. So, all right.